Use a crowbar to remove the baffle under the rear seat. Adjust the front seats as far forward as possible to facilitate operations at the rear. Grasp the air outlet with both hands. Pull it back firmly, and remove the rear air outlet. Remove this plug. Gently lift it with your hand and push back to pull the socket out. We provide a short connector. Note: be sure to insert this short connector here. We provide a short connector. Note: be sure to insert this short connector here. Important reminder: failure to connect this short connector will result in the inoperability of the front USB ports of the car. Remove the rear middle cover. Pull out the original car power interface. Note: the power interface of some vehicles is located on the right side of the driver's seat. Use the provided wiring harness to route it from the rear air conditioning position to the front for connection. Connect the provided wiring harness to the original car interface. Route the wiring harness to the air outlet. Reinstall the rear middle cover. Reinstall the baffle under the rear seat. Connect the two wiring harnesses on the canvas box to the corresponding interfaces on the device respectively. Function of the 6-pin socket wiring harness. Power supply, responsible for device startup. Function of the 2-pin socket wiring harness. Protocol box power supply. Function of the protocol box, responsible for air conditioning, seat movement, and seat heating functions. Note: if both the original car and our device have the air conditioning set to automatic mode, the air conditioning temperature and air volume cannot be adjusted. You need to turn off the automatic air conditioning mode of both the original car and the rear device before manually adjusting the temperature. You can contact us via binizeofficial at email.com or WhatsApp at +8613312163297. We will arrange a customer service manager to assist you personally. Additionally, a small benefit: be sure to indicate your order number when contacting us, and you will receive a surprise. Check if the CAN bus box is firmly connected. Note: be sure to insert this short connector here. This is the USB to Type-C adapter we provide. Note: the left Type-C port is responsible for reading data such as USB video and audio files. The right Type-C port is responsible for charging. The wiring harness we provide is a 26P interface, compatible with Tesla Model 3 2019 to 2023 Model Y20192024. If your vehicle's power wiring harness has a 20P interface, please contact us. We have a dedicated 20P interface wiring harness. The screen is equipped with a child lock function, with the password 8687. This is the seat heating function. This is the seat movement function. If you encounter any problems during use, please open the support app. We will help you solve any issues. Time setting operation. Open car info and select your time zone. If you are unsure of your time zone, you can refer to this time zone division table. Then go to Settings, More Settings, Date and Time, Automatic Date and Time, select Off. then exit. Language setting. Press and hold the language you want to select and drag it to the top. Our device is equipped with a speaker. If you want to use the original car speakers to play music, please search for our device's Bluetooth name Android Bluedroid on the original car's central control Bluetooth and connect to it. Important note: due to the recent upgrade of the Tesla system, our machine seat control function will no longer be available after the vehicle system update. However, we have already resolved this issue, and the latest update file is now available for use. Please feel free to contact our professional support team at any time. We will provide you with timely assistance. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth, connect it to the device's Bluetooth, then click the clink icon to connect to CarPlay.